In this video, I'm going to show you my favorite password manager. It's called Bitwarden. With this one, I never have to remember what username, email, or password I use for a particular website or even an app. I can save up all my information like name, address, phone number, everything. And whenever I encounter a form like this one, for example, I can fill it automatically. Let me just show you real quick. I'm just going to click on the Bitwarden icon and then I click on this identity, it's called, and it fills everything automatically with one button. Boom. You can see email, name, company, address, phone number, absolutely everything with one click. And it's free. And not only it's free, I can also have it on my phone. So basically, I don't know any of my passwords. If you want to get it for your browser or for your phone, it's called Bitwarden. And as you can see, for personal use, it's free. Like, this is not an ad. I just love it. And if you want to download it, just go to bitwarden.com and you can have a desktop app, whatever, or you can add it as a browser extension like I do. I have it right here. So for example, I have Firefox. I just click on Firefox and it takes me all the way to the add-on, so I can just add it. I already have it. So this is the extension. You have what I showed you earlier, what it's called identity. If you click here, you can just add all your information. You can edit and add even more stuff. Things like passport number, license number, all of that stuff. And then whenever you find yourself with a form, you can just click on the identity thing and it will fill it automatically. You can also generate passwords. Like if you just want to generate a username, you can just click here on the generator part. And if you want to generate a password with a bunch of words, you want it to be a password with a bunch of random digits or a passphrase as well, you can just copy it and you can customize it if you want it to capitalize, for example, and do all that sorts of fun stuff. You have your vault, which has all the information. As you can see, I have 295 logins. Yes, as you can tell by the nature of my work, I try a lot of stuff. So I have a lot of logins and stuff. I have credit cards, identities. You can organize them by folders if you want to. I don't do that because it's all the same. And yeah, it's just an amazing app that I wanted to show you. They have a few tools where you can see, I think if you pay for it, they have a few tools where you can see if your passwords have been breached. Somewhere like that, but whatever, you do that if you want to, right? I just wanted to show you this amazing password manager. So let me show you an example. I go to a website and I have login and email. Oh, I don't remember what my credentials are. So I just click on the thing. If I already have credentials saved, just tap, boom, boom, and it saves both of them. And I can log in, you see? And I don't even have to remember my password. If you want to edit them, just go to this one thing, this icon, and I can just edit my password. So if you want to like add a specific field, like for example, for this site, you're using your username and password, but you also want to like remember what email you used to sign up. You can add an extra field, just click on edit, scroll down, and then add new custom field, be a text, just click there, then email, and then email@email.com. And you can just save it. And with your credentials for this specific site, you will also have this one thing here. So this is very, very, very handy for basically absolutely everything, and you cannot deny it because I've been loving it ever since I tried it. So I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please leave us a super thanks or like this video. Have an amazing rest of the day, my friends, and stay safe out there.